Hi guys, I'm Prerna Nigam Gautam, and recently my Instagram handle Prerna Nigam Official was hacked. Ever since then, everybody wants to know how did it happen, how did I retrieve it. I did not have any reference point when it happened to me, but sharing my story would help others who might be facing this situation, or they can actually refer to the video and save themselves from this to happen. It was on the 20th of August when my Instagram was hacked and I could retrieve it only after 3 days. Trust me, it was very difficult. Not retrieving, but the feeling of losing all your work, your years of work. So how did it all happen? People perceive different things, and a lot of actually thought that I might have given out my password to growth engines to increase following. I was desperate to get a verification blue tick, but none of that is true. It could happen to anybody. Like any other blogger, I received a mail from a well-known brand for a collaboration, and that's where it all began. It had a link wherein they wanted to share examples of the campaign they wanted me to be a part of, and I clicked it, and woof, in matter of seconds it was all gone. It was in a span of few minutes that I lost all the control to my Instagram handle. When I received a mail on my official ID and the hacker said, you just have 2 hours to reply back before you lose your account. The hacker first changed my username, making it even more difficult to retrieve it because I was unaware of the new username. And then the phone number attached to my account was deleted in no time. Then what happened is a long story. Let me take you through. So when I had lost the control to my account, the first thing I did was to reply to that mail, and I asked what exactly was he looking for, to which he instantly replied saying that his interest was money. So he demanded around $260 but in the form of bitcoins. So let me tell you, I didn't know anything about bitcoins. All I knew was once the money goes, you can't really track it. Where did it go? And there was no guarantee would he return it back, would he actually give me back my account, or he would just delete it right away. So instead of going ahead with the transaction, I decided to strike another conversation and started negotiating. I started negotiating with him. In the background, I started reaching out to people for help, and during that time I was directed that I should just engage him in a conversation and buy time, and that's exactly what I did. It was for good 2.5 days that I kept talking with him. We kept exchanging mails, he kept asking for money, and I just gave him reasons that I was looking for an option to transfer it in the form that he wanted. All this while, I was still not sure if he would give me back my account, so I asked him for a proof, if at all he would show me that he had the control. So, to which he actually showed me my account wherein it showed all my posts, but the account seemed deactivated because I was trying to reach out to friends who could lead me to the new username, but the account didn't appear. All this while, I tried writing to Instagram, but to my disappointment, I did not hear back from them. I dropped tweets, I wrote to people asking for help if somebody could help me. And to my surprise, I got a reply on my tweets saying, so and so could help you. And at no time, I received a message on my personal account from somebody who claimed to have my password available on dark web. In this process, there were too many people, unknown people, offering you help and demanding money. So on one hand, there was the hacker who hacked my Instagram account. On the other, there was this person who reached out to me on my personal account and decided to offer his help but wanted 100% payment. So in this, I realized there was no way out of this and decided not to take help from anybody but wait for Instagram's reply, and that's exactly what I did. I still couldn't locate my Instagram account since the username was changed and I didn't know what the new username was. So I started reaching out to friends, and finally I got to know the new username. So I created a new email ID to reach out to Instagram. Instagram has a process through which they establish the identity to ensure that you are the real owner of your account. So let me sum it up for you. If it happens to you, first, don't panic. Second, buy time. Keep the hacker busy. Keep talking to him. Third, do not trust anybody but you and Instagram to get your account back. Fourth, lodge a complaint with CyberCell. Fifth, look for the new username that happened in my case. Ask your friends to figure it out and look for the new username. Sixth, create a new email ID, reach out to Instagram to reclaim your account. So how do you ensure that your account is safe and secure? Always have the backup of all the data that you put on Instagram. There's an option, so go download all the data that you've posted till now. Second, enable the two-factor authentication. It always helps. Third, don't be so excited for every mail that you receive for collaboration. Whenever you receive any mail or message for collaboration, always go into detail. Avoid clicking any links. I hope this video helps you in case you find yourself in a fix. I'm here. You can drop in a comment in case you need any help. I would be happy to provide that.